24 hours. Out of 632 samples tested over the last 24 hours, 25 people have tested positive for coronavirus disease. This brings the total number of those who have tested positive to 607. This number is growing, as you can see, and we must do all that we can to stop it from escalating. Fellow Kenyans, from this number, 22 are Kenyans, 1 a Ugandan, 1 a Tanzanian, and 1 a Chinese national. Distribution of these cases is as follows. 17 are from Nairobi, 2 from Wajir, 2 from Kajiado County, and 1 each from Mombasa, Migori, Isiolo, and Nakuru. Isiolo now becomes the latest county to record a COVID-19 case. This brings to 18 the number of counties so far affected. The cases from Nairobi are spread in the following estates. Eastleigh is again leading with 9, Kawangware 2, Parklands 2, Riruta 1, South Sea 1, Umoja 1, and Juja Road 1. The one case in Mombasa, and that's good news to see that we have picked up only one case in Mombasa this time, is from Likoni, while that of Nakuru is from Solai. The age range is from 8 years for the youngest to 73 years for the oldest. And in terms of gender, 21 are males and 4 are females. It's a pattern that we have seen repeat itself, more males than females.